Hello friends, welcome to our next video. In this video we will discuss how to download and install iOS 12.1.1 public beta 3 on iPhone and iPad. So let's start. First of all, open Safari on your iOS device and head over to beta.apple.com. Now tap on sign up if you had used public beta. This is how you will see sign up screen. Then next tap on sign in and head over to get started section. After that, next up enter your Apple ID and password and then click on sign in. Then finally you need to agree terms and conditions. Next select iOS tab and tap on enroll your iOS device under get started section. Then hit the download profile. This is how you will see these screens. Then tap on install at the top right corner. Next up you need to enter your passcode top on install to accept the beta agreement. Next up tap on install button to confirm. Then tap on restart to reboot your device. Your device will restart. After your device has rebooted, it will start downloading operating system. Once it has downloaded the software, open settings app on your device, then head over to journal and then software updates. Then when updates shows up, tap on download and install button. This is the download and install screen. Then enter your passcode. Now your device will start downloading iOS 12.1.1 public beta 3. After downloading has finished, tap on install. Wait patiently until the process is completed. After your device has rebooted, it will have iOS 12.1.1 public beta 3. So this is how you can download iOS 12.1.1 on your iOS device. I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, do like and share this video, and do subscribe our channel to get more update of our upcoming videos. Thank you for downloading. Thank you for watching this video.